You are welcome back to class again. Today I am going to be taking you through another topic, and that is profit and loss. Profit and loss. Profit and loss has been part of everyday business transaction. So on the board, I'm going to be using these two questions to expose to you what we deal with when we are trying to solve problems. What problems under profit and loss? Now let's go. A trader bought a bag of rice for 18,000 naira and sold it for 19,500. Find the profit and the profit percent. And the second question says a phone was bought for 65,000 and sold for 59,000. Find the loss and the loss percent. Here, the questions are just exposing to us that when we are dealing in a business, is either you make a profit or you lose. But before you know, it shows that you have to bring out the amount you buy a product. For instance, if you buy a product like this article now, a bag of rice is being bought for 18,000. That means the cost price of the bag of rice is, now let's quickly look how to solve it. The cost price here, cost price is the amount you bought an article, and cost price here is 18,000 naira. 18,000 naira. While they told us it's being sold out for 19,500. That means the selling price is 19,500, and selling price can be denoted by SP. This is the selling price. Selling price. And that is 19,500 based on this question. Now, it shows that we have these two terms. And these two terms will be what will tell us if we are making a profit or we are losing out. So anytime, now to know if we are making profit, to make profit, it shows that you have to, if you relate these two terms together. If you are making profit, it shows that your selling price must be greater to your cost price. Before this time, we have talked about less than, greater than. So this is the greater than term. Greater than, the way we denote it mathematically. So when this is greater than, for the sake of those people that didn't follow us when we were doing the class. So anytime your selling price is greater to the cost price, it shows you are going to be making profit. Now, loss is being gotten. Loss is when your selling price is less than, cost price. The person is going to be making a loss. So now, if we now want to resolve this, we want to know, already they have told us this person made profit. So if the person made profit, it shows that the selling price was greater, and you can see that this is the selling price. The selling price, this is 19,500, is actually greater to 18,500, 18,000 naira. So it shows that they made profit. So profit here will be what? Will be selling price minus cost price. And selling price is 19,500 minus 18,000. Remember to always put your units, 18,000 naira. So it shows that 19,500 minus 18,000 naira will be what? Is going to be 1,500 naira. So they made a profit of 1,500 naira. Now we want to know the percentage profit. If you want to get how to do percentage profit, all you need to do, there is a particular formula we usually use. Profit percentage. You know, I told you before now, this is how to denote percent in mathematics. So, it shows that to know the profit percentage, it will be profit, your profit to the cost price multiplied by 100. So what is the profit? The profit is 1,500. And what is your cost price? Cost price is 18,000 naira multiplied by 100. So this one, we cancel this out. This, we cancel this. So you'll be left with 1,500 divided by 180. 1,500 divided by 180. And I think this one too can go with this. So if you do this well, you are going to be getting 8.3%. So the percent profit of this particular problem, the trader made a profit of 8.3%. The trader here has just made a profit of 8.3%. So with this process, you can get your loss percentage too. Loss percentage loss will now be your loss divided by the cost price multiplied by 100. You understand? The same way we have done this. That's how, if to say this person is making a loss, you will just make use of this to do it. In fact, the process is what you will use to do this. So I want you to go ahead and use this process to find what the answer here is going to be, and drop your result, drop your answer for me at the comment section. I know with this you have learned how to tackle a question, tackle problems, word problems as regard profit and loss. Thank you.